What's up, y'all? It's your girl Imari, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an at-home silk press. This came out so pretty, so full, so stay tuned. But before we even get into this video, I need you to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video up, and let's get into it. I'm starting off with my Cream of Nature heat protectant, and I'm just gonna spray this throughout my entire hair. I did go ahead and wash and blow dry my hair already, just for the sake of it not being a long video, and there really wasn't much to show there. When I straighten my hair, I do like to section my hair off into 4 sections, just because I do have a lot of hair and I do find it easier that way, just to section it off and do each section piece by piece. Now that I have my hair section off, I'm just going to take each section and part it piece by piece and straighten it out. I am using this titanium flat iron that I got off of the TikTok shop. I'm using it on its highest setting. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the Baby Bliss flat iron. This is like my second time using it. The first time I used it, I didn't really like how it was straightening my hair, so I did decide to give it another try. I will say that it is a good flat iron and it does get hot. The plates are very smooth, but I'm not sure if I like it on straightening my regular hair. I just feel like I have thick hair, and with this flat iron, I'm seeing that I had to do multiple passes to get it straight, and I don't want to overly flat iron my hair because, of course, I have natural hair and I don't want to have any heat damage to my hair because I still want to be able to have my curls. So I don't know about this flat iron. I think maybe it'll be better for weaves, but as you can see, I did switch over to my Wavy Talk flat iron. Now this Wavy Talk flat iron, I swear by this flat iron. As you can see, I do one pass on it and it gets my hair straight. It gets it silky. I swear by it. I don't even know why I keep switching up, but I just like to give other products the benefit of the doubt. But I feel like the TikTok flat iron will be good for weaves, but when it comes to my natural hair, because it is thick, I just think that the Wavy Talk flat iron really gets the job done. So I'm just going in now. I'm at the front of my head and I'm just going to keep pressing my hair out and trying to get it as straight as possible. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is I am so proud of my hair right now. Like, I cannot say enough. My hair has grown to be so healthy, so thick, so full. In the past years I did struggle with my hair a little bit. It's always been thick and long, but it was kind of damaged due to color. I kept coloring my hair and everything, but I did let that color grow out and just stuck with my natural hair color, and it was the best decision that I made because my hair is very healthy, very thick, very long, and I am just so proud of it. It's been a long time coming, and I am trying my hardest to really maintain that and keep it going. I probably won't be coloring my hair anymore just because I don't have the energy to put the extra care into it anymore, and I just like the results that I'm seeing from not adding any color or bleach to my hair. I will be doing a side part for this, so I did part my hair into a side part. And now I'm just going to take my blow dryer and I'm just trying to straighten out my roots a little bit more because my hair is really thick, and straighten out my edges so they won't be all fluffy and everything will just be uniform, silked, and really pressed out. Now I'm going in with my Tyche Pro flat iron. This is from Imari.Akyyah, New York. And we're just going to go and add some really big curls into my hair. This will add the body, give it the flow, make it look like the little blowout method that all the girlies be doing. I love this flat iron to do curls. It curls your hair so smoothly because the flat iron is round. It just curates the perfect curls. The plates on the flat iron are so smooth. And yeah, we're just trying to get that full body look for this silk press. So I'm just going to go throughout my whole head. I'm not really doing too small of sections. I'm just going to do big sections because we're not trying to make our hair look really curly. We're just trying to add that volume and give it some body. So I'm just going to add these big curls throughout my entire head. In the dark and in the right, he keep that, keep it running like it pump. He need her up beneath the thighs. He that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep that, keep it on the head. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty booty. She keep that plump. That nuts beauty. Yeah. I have become such a DIY girly, especially when it comes to my hair. Call me cheap, call me what you want, but I just don't see myself paying for hairstyles. Now, when it comes to braids, of course, I don't have the patience to braid my hair, even though I can. But anything else, I just feel like I can do it myself. If I have the materials and the tools at home to do it, I am definitely going to do it myself. And it works. These hairstyles, silk press is very easy, very home friendly. If you get you a good flat iron, that's all you really need to accomplish at home silk press. I clip my own ends myself and everything. I am just like a do-it-yourself girl because I just can't see myself paying the prices that's being charged. And of course, your price is your price, but I just find myself saving money just doing it on my own. Guys, look how these curls come out. They look so cute. They've curated perfectly. It's going to give my hair all the body that it needs, and as you can see, they look really bouncy, really full. My hair is just really healthy. I'm just in awe of my hair lately. Like, I can't stress it enough because I've really put in the hard work to achieve this healthy state of my hair, and I work hard to maintain it. Now that we have the hair all curled up, look how bouncy, full. The heat protector has it looking so shiny. I just love it. I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and I'm going to gently just comb through my hair, and comb out the curls a little bit so we can get that full body blowout look that we want. And that's it, guys, your at-home silk press. This came out so cute. The curls gave it so much body, made it look even more full. It's giving healthy hair, it's giving grown woman, rich auntie. I am just in love. I did do my makeup because I am going somewhere, but so flowy. This is your at-home silk press, guys. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair came out. It is so cute, so full. It's giving grown. Excuse me? Huh? Yeah. It's eaten down. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Talk to me in the comments. What style should I do next? Hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.